Hi, my name's Michelle Gellis. I am a board certified acupuncture physician and I teach facial acupuncture classes internationally. Today I'm going to be talking about LED light therapy and the benefits and some of the contraindications. So if you can go to the first slide. So this is a little bit about me. I'm a former faculty member and clinic supervisor at the Maryland University of Integrative Health, and I'm currently on the doctoral faculty at Yosan University, and I've been published several times in the Journal of Chinese Medicine. My area of expertise is facial acupuncture, both for cosmetic but also for neuromuscular facial conditions. And at the end of the presentation, I have some information about some of the classes that I teach. So, what is LED skin rejuvenation, or LED light therapy, actually? So LED light therapy is using light through light emitting diodes, or LEDs, to affect the skin and the body in some way. So these LED lights, and you can see a picture of a light device here, these LED lights can stimulate the cells in our body to do different things. They can produce collagen, and this can help to rejuvenate the skin, and it can also help with a lot of other things in addition to helping with skin concerns. So LEDs are different from lasers and IPL therapy, that are other therapies that are used for the skin, because this does not use thermal energy. It doesn't damage the skin in any way. There's no downtime, and there's no trauma to the tissue, which is really nice for our patients. And this particular device, which is a freestanding device, I like this type of device because you can move it around the table. You don't have to somehow prop it over your patient, and you can get it as close or as far away as you would like, and it will function on any body part. So these panels move. They kind of move like open and closed to get to smaller parts and larger parts of the body. So what are some of the benefits, other benefits of LED light therapy? LED light therapy has been approved by the FDA for anti-aging, tightening and toning of the skin, helping the skin's elasticity, improving pigment like dark spots, and any sort of like melasma, things of that nature. It helps our immune system because it targets the mitochondria of the cell, which enhances our immune system. It also helps with hair regrowth. You may have seen some of those caps and different types of devices, the red light devices that people put on their heads to help to regrow hair. And it also can help with inflammation and for things like joint pain, for concerns like arthritis. And one of the ways that it helps with skin is it stimulates the fibroblasts to increase collagen production. And it also increases the production of melatonin in the body, so it's great for sleep. It stimulates the lymphatic system, so it helps with any sort of inflammation that may be going on, and also cell repair. So if you're doing cosmetic acupuncture, you can include this with the cosmetic acupuncture treatment, and it can help to with puffiness and also to reduce the incidence of bruising. And because it does work with the mitochondria of the cell, it can help with the tissue injury, tissue regrowth if there's been any sort of a trauma. And again, it can also help with inflammation. So the device that I was just showing you is made, it's being sold by Aculift, and they have a website. It's called aculiftsskincare.com, and LASA OMS will also be carrying it. And it has 4 different types of light. It has a red light, which has a wavelength of 640 nanometers, and that is the most powerful penetrating, is the red light. And that is for pretty much everything. It will take care of the skin cell rejuvenation, oxygen content in the blood, circulation, aches and pains, and promoting the collagen. So you would use the red light definitely if you were treating the skin. The yellow light helps with oxygen in the skin, also circulation, red spots, red face. It's great for rosacea, and it helps to remove pigment in the skin that's unwanted, like dark spots, red spots. The green light is good for dark circles, also pigmentation issues, broken capillaries, sunspots. So it will target some of the red in the skin, and if the person has over irritated skin. And then the blue light helps to kill bacteria, and it's wonderful to use, like if you're doing any sort of microneedling, it helps to kill bacteria on the skin ahead of time. Also, the lights can be combined, so you can have red and blue, yellow and red, or you can turn all 4 colors on, and this will help with different types of concerns. So a little bit about infrared light. So the light that this device emits is a near infrared light. So the TDP lamps that we have, they get hot, that is far infrared. And these lamps, they don't get hot like a far infrared. The light spectrum that we're working with is mainly in here. However, when you combine the lights, you can get a little further into the near infrared light, which helps to go down a little deeper when you're trying to deal with aches and pains and muscle issues. So the red light, the near infrared red light, again, it stimulates collagen, fibroblasts, and it does have some anti-inflammatory action. And as I mentioned, this has all been approved by the FDA, and we can use them in our treatment room for all these different things, including stimulating the mitochondria of the cell. And this is a link to one study, and there have been many, many studies that have been done on red light therapy. The nice thing about red light therapy is there's no risk of burning the skin, and you can treat a large area within a very short period of time. A typical treatment is between 20 and 30 minutes. And there's nothing special you need to do afterwards. There's no downtime. The person doesn't have to stay out of the sun or put any special products on their skin. It is safe for many different types of skin, and it's completely pain-free. It's very comfortable. It's actually very relaxing. It's easy to use. The machines are easy to use. The AccuLift device comes with a step-by-step manual and also video training. And it really does have a wide range of uses in the treatment room. Back pain, hip pain, leg pain, lots of different things that you can use it for, in addition to just rejuvenating the skin. Here, here is a picture of me. You could see I'm wearing the same shirt right before the presentation. I thought I would just chill out under my red light, and it's very relaxing. It has a timer on it. I don't think I have a picture of the controls, but the controls are easy. You turn it on, and then there is a timer. You can set it from 0 to 30 minutes, and power. I always turn it all the way up. And then what color light you want to use, you just cycle through whether you want to do red, blue, green, yellow, or a combination. So there's 7 different settings: red, blue, green, yellow, yellow and red, red and blue, and then all 4. And it's on wheels, so you can just move it right around your patient, which is nice. And when you're done, you can just wipe it with a Cavi wipe, something that is safe, and that way if your patient coughs or sneezes or anything, it will remain clean. And it stores up pretty small. You could just stick it right in the corner. And the other thing is, if you're doing cosmetic acupuncture, you can put your needles in, and then you just place this right over the needles. And you can see with these adjustment knobs, you can lay it, you can have it so it's completely flat like this, and you can put it right up against the person. I don't know. I did not include the contraindications, but there are some contraindications. You would never want to use the device on someone who had cancer, skin cancer, any kind of cancer, because it does stimulate cell growth. You don't want to use it on people who are pregnant, any sort of open wounds, anything like that. But this is all included in the training. This is really just an overview on the devices. So that's pretty much all I have to say today about red light therapy. These are some of the other classes that I offer. I haven't even added the red light therapy class on here, but I teach cosmetic acupuncture certification. I have an advanced certification, which is essentially all of these classes. I also just have a basic 5-module certification. I teach facial cupping, facial gua sha, facial derma rolling, and skincare, microneedling, both with a microneedle pen and derma rolling. I also have to meet, and these are all CEU, NCCAOM, California, and Florida approved CEU classes. I also teach ethics and safety within facial acupuncture, treating neuromuscular facial conditions, self-care for acupuncturists, and anatomy of expression. So that's my talk for today. And let me move this out of the way. So, if you are interested in learning more, definitely visit the AAC channel. They have lots and lots of instructional videos, and I want to say thank you to the AAC for the opportunity today to spend some time with all of you.